Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a Coachman Pixel. We're at the Coachman booth at their Elkhart Dealer Week. Now this Pixel is a pop-top unit. So built on a 2500 series Ram ProMaster chassis. You can see up front you have four chairs. Three basic sitting areas is what I wanted to say, so that you can take a few passengers with you, which is really nice. Very nicely stitched and semi-quilted chairs here. You have your Ram ProMaster cab up front, but the real difference is, now I'm going to pop up because the ladder is not here, is this pop top for sleeping. There's a skylight there, and this pop top allows you to sleep extra people up here, and there would be a ladder that would attach here down to here that you can climb up and easily access that pop top. It goes up very easy and comes down pretty easy overall. Now unfortunately I can't show you that here at the show, so we're going to look at some of the interior features. Nice big compartments. They're decent for the size that we are, because this is a van conversion. Now what I'm looking at is they're lined, carpet lined essentially. Nice big hinges. You'll hear me talk about that in different videos. So they have residential style hinges, some additional space there, acrylic windows. Now your windows have the built-in shades, so when you pull from the top you have your day shade. When you pull up from the bottom, you have your night shade. So what's nice is you could build some privacy here and then bring down your day shade to still let a little bit of light in if needed. A lot of flexibility. They're acrylic windows, so they're lightweight. They pop open to let air in and out. In our kitchen, there is a stainless steel sink. We have some drawers. When I say we, I mean, I'm pointing out Coachman's construction. They have a nice drawer for your garbage. You'll notice solid wood here, and they're going with this exposed plywood where they've finished it and they have a bit of stain on it. It looks like just a clear stain, but it just gives it that more natural and raw feel. Now down below here, we actually have in a built-in convection oven with air fryer. So you can cook like a regular oven, you can microwave, you can air fry, all at your fingertips. Several more drawers that pop open here, and another storage compartment with adjustable shelves. Something, if you're new to the industry, when you look at a unit, find one that has as many adjustable shelves as possible to give yourself that flexibility. Now, really good countertop space here, which is nice, so that you have that openness. And what I'm going to do is pop the bottom drawer, because there is a portable induction cooktop. So you can place it up here to cook, or you can take it outside and cook in the campground. Again, more storage, and you'll notice a door like this. I mean, look at the thickness here of that door, because this looks like it's 3/4 inch to 1 inch plywood. 3 hinges to really hold that door up, you'll notice, and or keep it closed. As we look at some more storage, we've got storage galore, left, right, and center here. And then what makes this Pixel different is that you have your bed here, but if you like to get out and explore and you want to take bikes or some larger equipment, this actually flips up and folds off to the side, locks right in place, and now you have a storage area with the locking tracks, both upper and lower on both sides, so you can secure your gear. So if there's an emergency stop, a really rough road, your gear, your bikes, etc. aren't flying forward down the unit. So that's a nice little touch, and you noticed how easy it is to put up, and it'll be the same to take down. Our washroom is a wet bath full fiberglass surround. You've heard me talk about fiberglass surround. That's really important. Decent size. So let's do our little step-in test. If we're showering, you know, decent little space here to shower. It's not, you're not going to dance a jig. I'm going to be up front, but it's a decent space. I can shower, etc. Shower for one though. Also, they have the retractable screen, which is really nice, or what the industry calls the retractable self-cleaning screen, because it'll help drain any water down itself. The rod here is nice to hang towels or any wet clothes. Our fridge is a decent sized fridge. Again, you're not going to get A-class size fridges in a B van, but they're good size for the size of unit. You have some additional netting storage down here as well. And I do like that you have the rings right here. If you notice, there's 4 of them for tying down your gear. USB speaker, which can be, looks like can be removed. And then of course you have your open back. I'm going to step out and you'll notice here that there's actually a screen. Now what I like is it's a screen, watch that, on a track to go up or down versus what a lot of the industry does with a roll down screen. Check out one of our videos on a road trek that has, we did using the screen, how you unroll it down. I have to admit, this is really great. Reach up, pull it down, and then it'll clip in place. That is super slick, super easy to use. So if you're in the market for a smaller van, want to get out, see the countryside, it's you and a spouse, maybe you're taking your kids or an older set of parents with you, this is a nice flexible unit that'll get you out camping, see the countryside, and just enjoying life. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please click the like and subscribe button. Check back for more videos on some great RV units that the industry has released this year or had made improvements to. Leave any comments below and I'll try to answer all of them. And we'll see you back at the channel soon. Take care.